Hi. I might as well do an update as I build my new computer chair. Because I have a computer set up right beside me now. Unfortunately, I won't be getting to gaming videos for quite a while, maybe even a year, if the plan for my actual PC, which I already have, doesn't work out because I was ripped off and I'm kind of upset by that. But I'm going to be building my chair and I thought, why not film it and just update you on my life. In one of my Bioshock videos, I mentioned that I had like, no, it wasn't a Bioshock video, was it? A video that is not on my channel anymore. I don't think. I mentioned I had a surprise kind of thing that I was going to talk to you guys about. I have to figure out what I'm doing at the same time, which is going to be interesting with ADHD. Okay. I do not understand, but okay. For those who don't know, I have a brother. Doesn't matter what wheels are capable. Let's go where? No. Yep. Speaking of which, this is something I'm putting up with. That's my cat Midna. She wants to go in the box. How are you doing? Being a nuisance. Anyways, I have a brother. For those who don't know, yeah, I do. He is 10 years older than me, so he's 30. Because I'm 20, and I don't know what I'm doing. Am I doing this right? I look like I am, I think. Maybe. Maybe not. So, my brother has a girlfriend. And I'm going to be an aunt to a little boy. I was going to tell you guys a while back, but then a lot of shit happened to the point where I'm just like, okay, well, now my laptop won't record. I'm recording off my phone, which, by the way, is a new phone, if I look actual visible, and I'm not doing this properly. What am I doing? I'm just twirling it. Oh, you know what would be a good idea? Look it up on YouTube. But no, I'm gonna film, because that sounds like fun. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm doing this. So I just pop it in, right? Or do I have to figure out which one goes where? Is that... Or... Oh. I'm stupid. If you can't already tell, I've never built anything in my life. Am I doing it properly? I think you have to unscrew it. It looks like I'm doing it properly. Someone's here. Down the hill. I don't know if I'm doing it properly. I don't know what I'm doing. By the way, I'm going to let you guys know, we might not even get past trying to put this together. Because I can't even figure out how to put on a wheel. And there's a cat watching me and trying to play with it. This is not a toy. Please don't play with it. I just thought it'd be a funny video of trying to like put this together and talk. Which with ADHD doesn't really work. Because I'm just now just twirling while talking. Because I'm trying to figure out how to put it in. Ah! No. Midna, no. Stop trying to play. This is not very helpful. It just shows you pictures. Okay, I'm gonna read it. Step 1, build the bottom of the chair. Step 2, okay, well, how do you do step 1? To me, that seems like a better ask. How to do step 1? Put H into A. H, cat, let go. A. How? Do I just click? Because this doesn't undo. It doesn't do anything. Do I scroll it in? I don't I don't know if you could hear the music in the background. I don't think my mom knows I'm filming, so there's music in the background. So please don't copyright and strike me. I know it's Billie Eilish, but I can't tell what song. Because I could hear, like, bits. The song. I hope you can't hear it, because I kind of want to upload this. I don't wish to be dealing with copyright strikes, because I posted a video about my cat changing the channel, and I turned it off real quick, and apparently I got copyright striked. I'm just like, okay. I told you exactly who they were from, and my cat changed it, but okay. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. What else is new? Oh yeah, I got a computer that doesn't work for what it is supposed to be doing it for. Because I got it for like, gaming and it doesn't do that. Hell's a thing that's currently going on and we're all in quarantine. I'm referring to it as hell because, yes. Because now, me being an introvert is no longer a thing. Because I don't want to be an introvert. I just want to be like out. I want to leave. I want to live. Which is like something I never thought I would want. Go in the bar and chill. Can you tell me how to do this? Because I don't know. I'm just twirling it at this point. This is me trying to figure out how to live a life and I don't know how. Okay. Well. I'm on step 1. I can't get out of step 1 because it doesn't tell you anything. Step 3 is underneath it. It says put seat into chair bottom. Well, how do I make the bottom of said chair? How do I make wheels connect? Is there like a certain one that goes into each of them? I'm gonna do this thing and try to figure out if it's... Nope. 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 Trying them all now. Because if it's a certain one that goes certain way, I'm gonna be quite upset. Nope, that doesn't do anything. And I'm pretty sure I've already tried this one. Did I do it? No. Where does this go? Am I just stupid? Well, we're not surprised if I am. By the way, my chair is currently a makeup stool. Because I can't sit in other computer chairs because I'm a weak person. I'm struggling. Sable just uploaded. My cat is scratching at a wall. I think I've done it. I think. But I took a break because my cat was being loud. And she has stopped now. Maybe I did it. I get it. Can I move on to step 2? But I might just make this into multiple parts, and I might get my mom to help me. And I don't think she's going to be able to film. She's going to be annoying. Getting upset with me for everything, so. I don't understand. I'm just gonna continue trolling this and talking. Because apparently I don't know how to do things other than that. What's another thing that's recently happened? I got a couch. I don't know what else to talk about. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm just like, this is probably the most boring video you ever see. But I'm just like, might as well give an update of some things and how the fact that I'm now bleeding. Okay. I'm not bleeding bad. I just tore up and something was wrong with my hand. I don't understand what was wrong. I'm all sweaty now. Ugh. I don't know if we could hear the music. My mom has music in the background. I could hear it. And like it's head bobbing music. There was something else I was gonna say and I forget. Yay. Got a couch. Got a computer. I forgot. Great. So I just have my mom's music playing in the background. I'm just like, distractions. Great. Oh, I'm upset. Why can't I think of what I was gonna say? That doesn't help me concentrate the music because I'm just like dancing in my head. You're just gonna see me staring off into space trying to figure out what I was saying. I think I was saying something. If I wasn't, I thought about saying something and then I didn't. And I'm just like, I don't remember what I was gonna say. Right. By the way, I'm not editing this. One, because my computer won't let me edit things. Also, I can't film on my computer. Because OBS is like, hell no, I can't work with your computer. I'm just like, I can't do anything on my computer. So that's the thing. Also, my laptop doesn't really work anymore. I'm just like, okay. And then my second laptop from like 7 years ago still doesn't work. And doesn't work either. For OBS at all. OBS is just a black screen. I tried filming a video and it had no sound on my computer. So therefore I'm using my phone. Like I've said. So I'm trying to get my computer, my actual like, PC fixed. So that I could actually play video games and actually have sound. I also now have a microphone. Try not to whip off anything. Because my cat has literally destroyed everything. So I have this. Doesn't work because you attach my phone and I don't know, it just dropped. Oh. It's a wheel. Can I? Wheel. This is me being distracted. One sec. I think my cat just wants attention. He's now annoying me. Guys, you can see the little box in the background. Prime quality video. I have nowhere else to film because my room is a disaster because we lived in it because hell has happened. Can hell go away? Like, well, hell won't, but like, can you like please just leave for like 5 minutes so I can at least get my life together? My life wasn't even together to begin with, but like 2020 was gonna be the year I get my life together, and then didn't happen. And then 2021, the year's gonna be fine this year. It's not gonna be completely a disaster. It's already February, and I'm like, I feel like I'm not gonna get anything done. My New Year's resolution was to work out. Guess what I've done at all in January? Never worked out 1 second. Got a computer that doesn't work. Been angry at it and just yelling at it. Hoping it would hear me just work, but like, it won't. Went through a breakup in November. For those who don't know, me and Mike broke up and then we got back together. And then we broke up again. Me and him are friends now though. We actually stayed friends. Yeah. But yeah, we broke up in November. We broke up when I was drunk, too, which was funny. So I'm just like, Mike. And he's like, yes, you're gonna break up with me. I'm just like, how do you know this? And I'm just like, yeah, I'm just very confused at my existence. And I'm just like, I just want to be alone. But then again, I'm not alone, because I did find someone. But I'm not gonna mention them on here quite yet, because I need to talk to them about it still. And I keep getting scared to talk to them about it, because I'm me. I'm feeling about life. What's something else that I've done recently? Oh, yeah. I don't even remember what I was going to talk about. I'm just like, yeah, that's something that happened. But I'm like, oh yeah, technically I can't bring that up without bringing up the person I'm dating. So I'm just like, it might have just been easy if I could ask. Oh yes, it is a haul. It's someone I've liked for quite a long time and I've been close to. There's a hint. Because she's never been on my channel, but she might have. Yeah, she has. She has, back in the live stream of college days. If anyone knows anything about that, that's welcome. I don't know if I've deleted them. Or has YouTube claimed them? Because there was always music playing in the background. Funny, because YouTube has never copyrighted me for the McDonald's music in the background. But yet has copyrighted me on a video that I played for maybe the video altogether was 36 seconds. And it was just my cat being stupid and changing the YouTube video. Well, I guess BuzzFeed was the one that was copywriting it. But, it was 1 second of it. Also, dog. This is the thing. It's a necklace that just entangled itself. Great. Let's go to 12. Dog. Okay. Yeah. What is my mom listening to? Is she? I don't know. I hear dishes as well as ballet music. I'm just like, one, can I have that music, please? So just dance. Oh, by the way, I was gonna get a job in 2020, and then I was like, well, no. I'm like, well, I kind of had a job, and then I wasn't getting paid for it because it was something to do with my dad, and I was like, okay, fine. So, well, I was getting paid, but I was getting paid through food. For those who don't know, my dad owned a bar. I don't know what's going on with that either. I don't know if we have it back yet, or because he said I'm not dealing with it anymore, and then just said, nope, I'm done, and then I stopped working it. Because when hell hit, we lost a lot of money, and then when we opened back up, we weren't gaining enough money to the point where it was coming out of his own pocket to pay his employees. So, and then it hit again, and then we're just like, we're not working on this anymore. You figure out how to keep it open, previous owners. So now, I don't know what's happening. I don't know if they found someone to just work the kitchen in the front of the bar. And then we're working the actual bar part. It's the actual bar table stand thing. There's a horseshoe. And then there's the bar. Then there's dining up front in the kitchen. So, yeah. By the way, this isn't doing anything. Just a little update. I'm not knowing what I'm doing. Just talking or sitting here and fidgeting with a wheel that I don't know how to do because this is terrible instructions. Ow. How? How is this meant to be helpful? So, it says step 1. Build up the bottom of the chair. Step 2. Assemble the parts. NCBI. Please remove the screw bolts with red circles first. Okay, so yeah. And then step 3, which is under step 1. Put the seat into chair bottom. we might have a problem with that step. I can't figure out how to do the chair bottom. Step 4, connect the backrest and the seat. Step 5, put the cover in the sides. Yeah. Complete the chair with D part. Yes, that is very instructional. Oh, I also plan on getting a septum piercing. Don't know when that's gonna happen because, like, again, hell happened. Hello? Did you hear that? Someone coming? My cat looks like she's gonna murder me. Please don't murder me. You look so vicious right now. Also, you look so sad. Sorry, I'm trying to build a chair. It's not working on my favor, of course, because welcome, it's my life. Can you help, cat? Can you do this? Because obviously I can't. And I'm stabbing myself in the back of the wicker basket. Oh, what did I just do? I just hurt my finger. Wait, is this gonna be helpful? What is this? I'm curious. I might be able to figure out something. Is this a part of it? This does not look like... Oh, this is a part of it, but it isn't. Because this does nothing to... It is a part of this. Can't see it. This. But it's not has nothing to do with the actual wheel part, which I'm struggling at. But maybe if I start with this part of it. Maybe. I've made a mistake. I cannot open things. I have a knife in my hand. That's why I was like, oh yeah, YouTube do not demonetize. Can't demonetize me. Oh my god, open. Cut away from me and towards... Well, Trot is not here. But... if anyone understands that reference, I love you. It's from the Oxcast, if you don't know. If anyone... Trot is from Hat Films, which is a part of the Oxcast, sort of. I don't... Is it still part of the Oxcast? It's kind of is. But yeah, so... If you know that reference, I love you, just for that reason alone. Because anytime I'm trying to cut something, that's how is this a part of it? I don't know what I'm doing anymore. When did I know what I was doing? This looks like I should know. What is this? What is this? What is this? What am I doing? Oh, wait, I know what I'm doing. Do I actually? I don't know. Do I? I do. I do. I do. Do I? I do. This? Like this? This? No, wait, my finger, please. I just scared myself a jump scare. But I've been watching a lot of horror video games from Christopher Odd, and I'm scared. I've been watching it in the dark. If you actually know me personally, you know I hate horror. So, and I don't know what I've just done. Aye, Captain. I'm an actual child. How do I do this? Someone's supposed to put the wheels on. How the hell am I supposed to put the wheels on? I'm getting anxious. It's sticky. Well, that makes sense. Push. I've done something. To me, it seems like this isn't gonna come out. I've done something. I don't know if I've done it at the wrong timing. Or properly. Nope. 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 To me, it looks stupid. I don't know what I've just done. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's comical. I might need to watch the YouTube video. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. At all. just like, oh, welcome to my struggleable life. And me not knowing what I'm doing. What am I doing? That does not look problem. It sounds like music. Do we have better instructions in here? No, we do not have better instructions. What am I doing? To be honest, I've just kind of sort of turned this into an update video and a crack video at the same time. Because I don't know what is happening. All I know is that I don't know what this is. Or this is. Or how to put wheels on things. No. That's not behind me. Also, by the way, you guys are balanced on a ring light that my cat broke. That I bought on Christmas. And then it just like broke. I was like, well, thanks, cat. You break things. Do not take the wheel to somewhere I don't want.